Welcome to dancer pose, or in Sanskrit, Natarajasana. This pose is also called Lord of the Dance pose. And this is a very powerful standing, balancing posture that brings with it a wide range of benefits. It is incredibly strengthening for your legs. It's a huge heart opening back bend, and it really serves to give you a nice full stretch through the front side of your body while engaging all the muscles on the back side of your body. It also helps to increase your focus and concentration. And due to this, when you're in the posture, it really is a great boost to your self confidence. Personally, this is my number one favorite pose, and it has been since I started doing yoga. It gives me such a liberated sense of confidence and freedom. It feels really good in your body. So let's go ahead and try it out. I do want you to look out for if your knees hyperextend, because you'll notice that as I'm guiding us through this pose, the importance is to keep your quadricep muscles engaged while not locking out your knee. Okay, so here, let's try it together. We're gonna step to the top of the mat, and we're going to bring the left hand to the hip as we bring the right arm out to the side. So from here, find your balance first. And if you need help with this, you can bring your opposite hand to the wall or to a piece of furniture for stability. Now, as you're ready, find a drishti. This is a point of focus for you to set your gaze on something that's not moving. So if you have a piece of furniture in front of you, a water bottle, a yoga prop, something to set your gaze on, that's going to help you keep your balance, because if your eyes wander, your body's going to wobble and maybe fall out of the pose. So when you're ready, lift and bend your right knee. We're going to reach back for an inside grip of your right foot. So make sure that it's the inside arch. All right, from here, drop your right knee down so it's more in line with the left knee. Reestablish your drishti, your point of focus. And when you're ready, reach your left arm up overhead, left bicep by the ear, palm is shining forward. Now, this might be the pose for you today, and that is awesome. Stand right here, feeling the lengthening, the gentle stretching. And then, if you would like to progress further, take an inhale breath to lengthen and use your exhale breath as you kick your right foot into your hand, and use that kicking and reaching motion to begin hinging your body forward from the hips. Good. Now, ultimately, one day you're working to square your hip bones off towards the front of your mat. Think about your hip bones being two headlights of a car. You want them to shine in the exact same direction. And then one day, too, if you're ever practicing in front of a mirror, your foot will kick up right behind your head, like a little hat, like a little tiara. For 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release back to center. Let your arms go. Shake out your legs. Awesome job. So there you have it, dancer pose, or Natarajasana. We hope that you enjoyed and found value in this class. Thank you so much for practicing with us. Again, this class is from the Learning Yoga series on YA classes. If you would like to experience the full program of over 30 foundational yoga poses, please click the link in the description below. And thank you again for practicing with us.